try fishing the seawall.
Got some live bull minnows. See if I can pull a couple flounder off this wall. It's a stingray. Two stingrays. And I see a flounder cruising right there.
Get one of these bull minnows hooked up. I'm just going to hook him right through his top lip. And I'm basically going to free line him. Got a little black swivel tied on with some 15-pound Missouri fluorocarbon down to a small circle hook. Little split shot on there just to help him get down on the bottom.
Never fished this spot before.
I was down here yesterday afternoon just kind of killing some time and just noticed how clear the water was and how much bait was around. Oh look, it's a mangrove. I think he's gonna be too small.
It's not a flounder.
It's a snapper, Lily. Yeah, he's too little. That's all right though. They're over here. You want to see his teeth, Lily? Look at his teeth. You want to put your finger in there?
No.
No. They look so much smaller in the water. That's pretty cool. These stingrays are just chilling over here.
The water is so clear.
Another little stingray and friends. What's up, Fred?
Okay, let's get some interest now. Let's hope it's not a crab or a ladyfish. Oh my gosh. What are those? Like ladyfish.
I caught a flounder and a mangrove so far. I got down here pretty early and was about to get set up. That's probably gonna go right in those rocks on that other side over there where that other little beach is. I was down here yesterday and huge mangrove. Just, you can see them flashing their sides. They were like 4 or 5 feet offshore. I didn't have any live bait or anything with me. Had to leave soon, so I came down here first thing this morning. Got some bull minnows. We're gonna go hit that spot. Yeah. And 5 minutes after I get here, there we go. 5 minutes after I get here, that construction barge pulls up over there. Oh, man. I parked right where I was gonna fish, and then they got a big load of pilings and stuff coming down. So maybe when they get out of here, was that a little? I think that's looks like a mangrove. Yeah, but he looks like a big boy. Oh yeah, he's good size. Shooting the shit. Just talking to you guys. Wow, he's really good size. I'm gonna keep him for sure. Oh man, I can barely get my hands around him. Awesome. Woo! He doing his snapper thing. I've never fished down here, so I didn't bother bringing my ice chest. I left it all the way at the other side.
Are those good eating?
Oh, mangrove snapper? Oh yeah.
How many can you eat?
I think it's 10. They got to be 12 inches minimum, and I think you can keep 10 a day.
That's a keeper then?
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. He's probably 4 inches over.
I see you side-eyeing me, Frank. I just got probably
My top 3 biggest mangrove right off this point over here. I'm gonna go back down here and throw another minnow and see if I can't get another one, maybe bigger. What did I do to myself here? Whoop. Oh, I lost that minnow. Try that again. Oh my God, this guy's a hoss. These bull minnows are excellent bait. Excellent bait. This guy is massive though. Only risk of using these big guys like this, they'll pull you straight down on the rocks. Get you wrapped around all kinds of stuff. But bigger the bait, bigger the fish. Let's see what happens. He's so big I can't tell if I'm getting a bite or he just put me down on the rocks. Of course he did. Come on, dude. He's getting out of there.
Put him out a little further.
Oh my goodness. Kind of sketchy stepping in here with all these rocks. I saw a stone crab the other day. Big enough to take my damn toe off. Try it again. I like to, I'm fishing out here with these larger baits. I like to leave my bail open once I pull that slack in. And I just kind of keep my finger on the line. Try to feel for some tension. That way if something starts to bite it, I can let it go, let it take some line, give it a chance to feed, swallow, and get that hook in its mouth. I came down here yesterday, just killing some time before I needed to pick my son up from school, and all throughout here, huge mangroves, just about 10 or 15 feet offshore. Just you can see them flashing. Threw a spoon over there for a little while. I could see them all chasing right off this point. So today I decided to come down here with some live bull minnows and see what I can do. Crash up. I got down here this morning, and about 5 minutes after getting here, they came and parked a big barge with an excavator on it, and I had to sit and wait for them to get their stuff loaded and ship off. So they're finally gone, and I'm gonna see what this little spot over here holds. I've never been down here aside from yesterday. Looks really good though. Rocks everywhere, a lot of bait. Out on the boat launch over there, the docks this morning, and there's some massive sheep's head over there. But there's no fishing from the docks, so I'm not even going to try that. Maybe if I had my kayak. But I think before I leave, I'm going to go put my GoPro in the water. And there's all kinds of Sergeant Majors and all types of tropical fish over there. I want to get a look under there and see what's going on. Nope, he gone. Oh. Try not to drop them. These little dudes are strong. Oh my god, like a bar of soap. Slippery. That's probably gonna get me snagged, but I think it's worth a shot. I got plenty of tackle. If I gotta retie, I gotta retie. Come on. Come on through here. Yep, and there he goes. Got him loose. These little dudes just try to get every... Oh my god, I lost him. What in the hell? They usually do not come off the hook that easily. Probably because I'm being a dummy and dragging them through all those rocks. Feeling kind of impatient this morning. Every time. I don't think I've ever hooked one of these guys without at least dropping them once or twice. it up here pretty good. I always do that. Get my stuff wrapped around the tip. That's a pretty good hit. Where are you taking me, boy? There we go. Oh man, that's a pretty good one. Tighten this drag up. Where are you going? Oh, he's trying to get me in those rocks. Man, this is another nice size mangrove. He's just about as big as that first one I caught. What a stud. Absolute stud mangrove. Look at, oh man, poor guy. I got him a tongue piercing. Don't snap me. He's definitely a keeper. Let me get a length on him. Don't stab me. Don't bite me either. Oh, well, you know what? He's not a keeper. He is fat, though. How in the world is he not 12 inches? I mean, he's close, but I don't want to chance it on 1/8 of an inch. See you later, man. Again. Right back into the bucket. We go with the smaller one. Seem to be having a hard time eating those big ones. I'm all kinds of clumsy today. Every single time. That's why I don't wear shoes with laces. Velcro straps for me. Just kidding. Oh, I see a big one down there. Lizard fish. He's pretty big too. This guy's got some crazy looking mouths on him. Oh. Oh my gosh. Do not bite me, buddy. I'm trying to let you go. I'm not putting my finger in there. Get some hook outs. Show this to my wife. I don't think she's ever seen one. Baby, here's lizard fish. Ow! Lizard fish. Where's this? He looks just like a lizard, doesn't he? Oops. Sorry there, dude. Let's see. You want to take the minnow home with you? Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. Why don't you get on out of here? I hope I didn't mess him up too bad.